one of the first, the first 3D printer that I have been very fortunate to acquire, thanks to the incredible generosity of my neighbors, extended neighbors. But I'm super grateful. I got a super amazing deal on this 3D printer. I probably got this % off, and spent a couple of days trying to get it working. Long story short, which is on my GitHub, and now I'm doing a basic Tinkercad print, which I am learning through a book from the library, and it looks something like this. It looks exactly like this, and hey, I can see my reflection in there. I didn't realize that, but I used to this software. Okay, here we go. So this is a basic. It's a basic kind of just a simple toolbox, I guess. But I changed the dimensions in order to be able to limit the amount of filament that I'm gonna put to use, because I just wanted to print this. And I tried a job, but the bed, it's called the 3D printing bed, which is this thing right here, and or this thing. And for the first design I built, basically there were supports at the bottom on the other side, like on the underside of the box itself. I did this because when I printed this, one of my second objects, which is scraper, this one actually stuck to the bed, so I was trying to prevent that from happening again. This one was okay. It actually printed like this, so it was not a problem. But so it's actually a fully functional funnel as I make my own dyes and inks. Yeah, this one was I mean, it wasn't super stuck, but it was anyway. So then I had to make this again to and now it seems to be printing fine. Yeah, basically. So it looks like it's coming together nicely, and measure twice, cut once, but I hope I got the dimensions right, and I hope that the lid is gonna fit on top of the box itself. It doesn't have any hinges. That's gonna be another project for another day. I'm just super happy. It's truly a remarkable technology. I've seen 3D printers going back quite some time, but I've never had a 3D printer up until now. I'm just really excited, and I'm hoping that I can start prototyping with 3D printers, as I've just been using materials around me. So this was made out of a pizza box, and I'm hoping that I got this from one of my neighbors also. It's actually a kid's toy, but it's gonna be fun to take this fully apart and put it back together. I don't think I have the manual, but it doesn't seem trivial. It's missing some gears, so I'm hoping to print the gears so that I can get this either going or repurpose some of the machinery in there. It's the update. Yeah, I spent more than a couple of days trying to fix a bunch of issues, which is all on my GitHub. If somebody has got quick questions, how to get started, I'm thinking of teaching. I would put an ad on a local classified to teach basically what I know so far, which is limited, but it's enough to get somebody else started. and I was thinking of couple that with some basic Linux training, because I use Linux. Personally use Linux. I'm not using any paid software here. Prusa Slicer is free. I'm using Octoprint. I guess I can share that. And I got a pretty sweet deal on this. It's truly remarkable. Like, and I would predict that, considering the arc of technology, how quickly technology evolves, safely at that. I just have to do this manually, so I hope it doesn't get tangled or. Oh, looks like my job is complete. Let's take a date to terminal. Temperature messages. Can't see it now. Yeah, it's finished. Completed. So let's take a look. That wasn't too bad. Hands are dry. Alright, I'm just gonna control it first. I'm gonna make it go up a little bit. There we go. A little bit more. And I've always mixed this up. How this is gonna work? It says X and Y. Bed. Ah! Alright, here we go. Let's try it. Not too shabby for my first actual print with 2 moving parts. That's my 3D print. Not bad. For a print that I made in Tinkercad myself. Because the other ones are just files I got from the internet. I'm happy and excited for more hacking. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Believe in yourself. Keep yourself educated. Invest in your abilities. And your mindset is your greatest asset. I gotta work on the measurement aspect. But it's not bad for my first 3D print. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.